The way to prove is high-frequency vibration. Put handpiece on the table and let working surface face upwards. Spread water evenly over the surface. After starting the machine, you will see small water waves. Put handpiece on the table and let working surface face upwards. After starting the machine, drop and spread some water on the surface, and you will see water vapor rising up. The cavitation can make lots of bubbles form in the water, which are vacuums. They make constant movement to grow or burst due to the vibration. Prepare a dish and pour some water into it. After starting the machine, let the working surface of the handpiece touch water. You will hear hissing sound due to the vibration. The way to prove is a fat-reducing function. Wrap a paper strip around the working surface of the handpiece. Put a slice of fat on the surface and pour some water on it. After starting the machine, the fat will gradually melt. When you use this handpiece on human body, the ultrasonic waves can make triglyceride come out from the adipose cells and thereby eliminate unwanted fat. Spread some butter over the working surface of the handpiece, and the butter will melt in 5 seconds. But if you do so on other area, the butter will not change its form. When you use this handpiece on human body, the ultrasonic waves can make triglyceride come out from the adipose cells and thereby eliminate unwanted fat.